एवरीवन। आज हम पढ़ने वाले हैं स्पाइस बोर्ड के बारे में। दिस नेशनल बॉडी इज़ वेरी इंपॉर्टेंट फॉर योर एफएसएसआई, सीएफएसओ एंड पीओ एग्जाम. So today we are going to discuss about this. Spice Board comes under the Ministry of Commerce and Industry. This act, firstly, the act was formed on 1986, and then the Spice Board was constituted on 26th of February 1987. The Spice Board was formed from the merging of Spice Export Promotion Council and Cardamom Board. याद रखिएगा कि स्पाइस एक्सपोर्ट प्रमोशन काउंसिल पहले आया था 1960 में, एंड देन कार्डमम बोर्ड आया था 1968 में. It is a type of an autonomous body. The main role of Spice Board is export promotion of 52 scheduled spices and development of small and large cardamom. Present chairperson of the Spice Board is Sangeeta Vishwanathan. She was appointed on 2nd of April 2025. There are list of some major spices. You can go through it. अच्छा, एक चीज़ और मैं बताना चाहूँगी कि ये जो स्पाइस बोर्ड के बारे में मैंने जितनी भी आपको इन्फॉर्मेशन इसमें दी है, ये ऑफिशियल वेबसाइट से है. वेबसाइट के बाहर से इसमें कुछ भी नहीं है. बस ये आपकी थोड़ा सा सिंप्लीफाइड वे में है ताकि आपको याद करने में आसानी रहे. देन नाउ वी डिस्कस अबाउट द कॉम्पोजिशन ऑफ स्पाइस बोर्ड. फर्स्ट वी स्टार्ट विद इंपॉर्टेंट डेट्स. तो सबसे पहले आया था स्पाइस एक्सपोर्ट प्रमोशन काउंसिल ऑन 1960s. देन देयर वाज फॉर्मेशन ऑफ कार्डमम बोर्ड ऑन 1968. आफ्टर द फॉर्मेशन ऑफ दीज टू बॉडीज, द स्पाइस बोर्ड एक्ट was formed from the merging of these two bodies. And then finally the Spice Board was constituted on 1987. The board size consists of 32 members who are included. The one is chairman, 3 MPs, 2 from Lok Sabha and 1 from Raj Sabha, 3 central government ministries representative, 1 from Ministry of Commerce and Industry, Ministry of Agriculture and Farmers Welfare and Ministry of Finance. Then 7 growers representatives, 10 exporters representative, and 3 major spice producing state representatives. 4 are the institutional members and 1 is labor interest. Now we see who are the institutional members. Niti Aayog, Indian Institute of Packaging, Mumbai, CFTRI, Mysore, and Indian Institute of Spice Research, Kozhikode. Then there are 3 statutory committees. The one is Executive Committee. Then there is Research and Development Committee for Cardamom and Market Development Committee for spices. Remember, there is only Research and Development Committee for cardamom, both small and large cardamom, and Market Development Committee for all the 52 spices. Then we discuss about the main functions of the Spice Board. Number 1 is the export functions. They promote, regulate export of spices, grant certificates, undertake various programs, quality marking for export, and they also take care of quality control of spices, also help in collection of data, various statistical data. Then the second function is research and quality. They involved in improving processing, grading, packaging, and quality techniques. They also involved in research and product development, post-harvest improvement, and quality evaluation services. Now, the major crop function is for cardamom, both small and large. They promote cooperative efforts among growers, support better cultivation, replanting extension of growing areas, regulate sale, training and testing, register licensed brokers and auctioneers, and improve marketing of cardamom. Now there are various programs that run under the Spice Board. Number 1 is the development work. Spice Board involved in post-harvest improvement of spices, development of spices in Northeast region. As we all know कि Northeast region में farming बहुत कम होती है, and especially spices की farming तो बहुत ही कम होती है. तो Spice Board is also promoting the farming and development of spices in Northeast region also. Then they are promoting scientific agriculture practices for processing and value addition support also. Then we come to quality services. They are establishing various quality servicing labs and mandatory tests for export, quality standard, maintenance and monitoring of quality export. Then there is an export supporter, and the main function of Spice Board is main program of Spice Board is SPIDA. What is SPIDA? It is the Saffron Production and Export Development Agency. It was formed on 18th of March 2015. The headquarters of SPIDA is in Srinagar. It is mainly for overall development of saffron industry in Jammu and Kashmir, and it is under the control of Spice Board. SPIDA also acts as a subordinate agency under Ministry of Commerce and Industry. So ये एक चीज़ आप लोग ज़रूर याद रखना. There is APIDA, MPIDA and SPIDA. ठीक है. APIDA is mainly for agriculture, processed food. MPIDA is for marine products and marine fishes, and SPIDA is mainly for saffron production, and it comes under Spice Board only. Then this slide is mainly for exam quick revision, so you don't get confused with other national bodies. So go through this. Thank you.